Falling ruler reaction time science report of the three senses aim to correctly measure each reaction time of the three sense, visual, tactile, and auditory, when catching the falling ruler to find out the fastest sense. Hypothesis: the tactile could be the fastest of the three senses. Unlike visual or auditory, which is located only for the eyes and ear, the touch senses are part of thermoreceptors spread out to every part of the body except the brain. Tactile carries simple signals like pain, giving the brain the fastest reaction, necessary for fast reactions, accentual for survival, letting us know the danger around us. Variables: independent, the senses, visual, tactile, and auditory. Dependent, the reaction times, seconds, of the catcher. However, this could change depending on the sense that was tested. Constant: equipment, environments, release point, force, and test subjects. Data collection: record the distance it took for the catcher to catch the falling ruler only using one of the three sense each test to turn to seconds, like using the equation of S equals SQRT, 2D/A. While D equals distance in meter, A equals acceleration of gravity 9.81, m/s, and S equals time, seconds, materials 1x, 1 meter ruler, 2x, people, 1x, calculator, 1x book 1x pen. Method 1. Person A held up the ruler a meter off the ground. 2. It was made sure the zero was pointing toward the ground. 3. Person B held his hands 3 centimeters around directly beneath ruler. 4. Person A dropped the ruler. 5. With only using the visual abilities, PB tries to catch the falling ruler only moving the fingers and thumb. 6. On what every number on the ruler the hand held on, was recorded the results onto the textbook. Make sure to measure on the same part of the hand each time. 7. Repeated steps 1 to 6 2 more times to get more evidence, and the average was found between the three tests to find the average time, seconds, which required the equation of reaction time, S, equals SQRT, 2D/A, to get the reaction time of the visual time of the falling ruler. 8. Step 1 to 3 were repeated for the preparation for the next experiment. 9. PA gave a countdown from 3 to 1 and dropped the ruler at 1 while PB closed his eyes and catches the ruler with only what was heard, only using the finger and thumb. 10. Step 6 to 8 were repeated for preparation for the next test. 11. Person B gently touched the ruler with the other hand, with no noises or visuals. PB felt the drop of the ruler and needed to catch it. 12. Then repeated steps 6 to 7. Discussion: the graph suggested the fastest sense was the tactile, followed by visual, and ended with auditory. The data was shown very similar between visual and tactile. However, the auditory was shown further away. The data shows the lower scores always comes first while the faster score always comes late, which can be due to the user gotten the used to the gravity speed. Mostly, the results stayed close together. The hypothesis was supported as it was proven that the tactile had the highest reaction speed compared against the visual and auditory. This could be due how tactile always sends a simple signal like pain to the brain, making it easier to react compared to visual, which carries distance and color, making it longer to react, as or auditory, which carries sound, power and general area and distance. There were many things that went well within the experiment. The dropping was used in a way fairly, shown in steps 1 to 6. Another thing done well was the way the falling length was recorded, giving it a consistent, accurate measurement, measuring on the same point on the hand. Systematic and random mistakes were made within the experiment. 2 systematic mistakes in the experiment was the measurement in hand and dropping angle of the ruler. Although the hand measurement was seen as a positive and a great way to maintain constant measurements, the different part of the hand measured may cause different result when the next person tested the same experiment. Another systematic error was the dropping of the ruler that was sometimes not straight, which could have caused falling direction issues, causing the longer time to reach a certain destination if could have reached in a shorter time if it was traveling straight. No random mistakes were made. The test was made indoor with a never-changing temperature, air movements, or gravitational changes. The mistakes can easily be changed. The dropping will only need a simple angle check, and the hand measurement can only be measured on the average of the length taken on the hand. Conclusion: the results suggested tactile had the fastest reaction time. The aim wasn't achieved, proven by issues made within this unfair experiment. The area that can be further investigated could be how hunger or stress can affect one's reaction time, to help everyone fairer understand the human reaction system.